I'm trying to stay composed. I'm reading this scripture in Ephesians 4. Have you ever read the part in Ephesians 4 around 7 through 10 where it says that what does it mean to ascend? It means that Jesus had to descend to the lower earthly regions and then ascend higher than all the heavens, above all the heavens, so that he can fill it. Oh my God. The earth was so tainted, it was so stung by the sting of death that Jesus had to reverse death and transfer it and change it back into life. It's like there was a negative spin, and Jesus had to raise high above all of the heavens so that he could bring it back to the original state and potential of Christ in us, the hope of glory. And it says that he gave gifts. He gave us what we call the fivefold ministry, the apostle, the evangelist, the prophets, the pastors, and the teachers, so that those who believe can be built up in the knowledge of Christ. And in the knowledge of Christ, we learned earlier that we apprehend the depth, the length, the width, the height of God's and the love of Christ. And when we apprehend and seize that love that is so awesome, we become filled with the full measure of God. So what Jesus did, oh my God, he actually had to reverse the curse. He had to reverse the negative impartation into the earth and transform it and change it back to the original state. That's why it said he went higher, he ascended higher. Oh my God, I can hardly walk straight. He had to ascend higher than all of the heavens so that he could fill it. Oh my God. When we receive Christ, the same thing happens. It's like the electrons in us, the energy field in us, the charge in us changes. It changes from that sting of death to the prosperity and the hope of life. That's what happens. So Jesus, again, he had to descend to the lower earthly regions and rise up all the way up above the heavens so that he could fill the universe again with his love, with his presence, with his grace, so that when we receive Christ in us, we receive all of that and we receive the full measure of God. Whoa, my God. Listen, I'm almost stuttering. It's so awesome. You have a charged day. May God bless you. Have a good one.